Let's see how you can save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF on your PC. For that, first you have to open up your ChatGPT in your browser. Click on the conversation you want to save as PDF. Just select the entire conversation using your mouse. Then right-click on the highlighted part and choose Print. On the right side of the print windows, under Destination, go ahead and must select Save as PDF. Make sure Pages is set to All and switch the layout, select your preference. And now finally hit Save button and lastly choose where you want to save the file, give it a name and click Save again. That's it. When you open the file, you will see your full ChatGPT conversation saved nicely as a PDF on your computer. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.